Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use color mix to edit a picture in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Gallery app. Now here in Gallery, open a picture. And to edit this picture using color mix, click on this edit icon and then click on this 3 dot more icon. Now here click on color mix, and now you can increase or decrease the colors by tapping on the color. And that's how you can use color mix to edit pictures in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.